If you're ready to unlock your full potential and achieve financial abundance, then this video is for you. Before we delve into the specific habits, it's crucial to understand what the millionaire mindset is all about. Wealthy individuals possess a unique set of beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors that contribute to their success. They see opportunities where others see obstacles, and they're always striving for growth and improvement. Kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Setting clear and specific goals. Wealthy individuals understand that vague aspirations rarely lead to tangible results. Instead, they take the time to define their goals with precision, incorporating elements such as deadlines, measurable outcomes, and actionable steps. This clarity provides them with a sense of direction and purpose, allowing them to break down their goals into manageable tasks. By outlining a roadmap to their objectives, wealthy individuals can track their progress, make necessary adjustments, and stay on course. This habit instills focus, determination, and a laser-like vision, propelling them forward with unwavering motivation and a heightened likelihood of success. Number 2. Creating a positive mindset. Wealthy individuals understand the power of a positive mindset and actively cultivate it. They recognize that their thoughts and beliefs shape their reality, so they consistently practice gratitude, affirmations, and visualization. Expressing gratitude for what they have allows them to appreciate the present moment and attract more abundance into their lives. Affirmations serve as empowering statements that reinforce their confidence and belief in their capabilities. Through visualization, they vividly imagine themselves achieving their goals, creating a mental blueprint for success. By adopting a positive mindset, they navigate challenges with resilience and see setbacks as temporary obstacles, rather than insurmountable barriers. This habit of maintaining a positive outlook attracts opportunities, inspires creativity, and fuels their determination to achieve their financial aspirations. Number 3. Continuous learning and self-education. Wealthy individuals understand the value of continuous learning and self-education. They recognize that knowledge is a powerful tool that enables them to adapt, innovate, and seize new opportunities. They actively invest in their personal and professional growth by immersing themselves in a variety of learning experiences. They voraciously read books, articles, and industry publications to expand their knowledge base. They attend seminars, workshops, and conferences to stay updated with the latest trends and developments in their fields. Additionally, they surround themselves with mentors and experts who can provide guidance and valuable insights. By embracing a lifelong learning mindset, wealthy individuals stay ahead of the curve, develop new skills, and remain adaptable in an ever-changing world, ensuring their continued success. Number 4. Taking calculated risks. Wealthy individuals possess a unique willingness to take calculated risks. They understand that in order to achieve significant success, they must step outside their comfort zones and embrace opportunities that come with inherent uncertainties. However, they are not reckless gamblers. Rather, they meticulously assess the potential risks and rewards before making informed decisions. By conducting thorough research, gathering relevant data, and seeking advice from experts, they minimize their chances of failure and maximize their chances of success. Taking calculated risks allows them to explore uncharted territories, seize lucrative business ventures, and capitalize on emerging trends. It is through these calculated risks that wealthy individuals create new opportunities for personal and financial growth, pushing the boundaries of their achievements and realizing their full potential. Number 5. Developing strong networks. Wealthy individuals understand the significance of developing strong networks. They actively build and nurture relationships with like-minded individuals who share their values and aspirations. They surround themselves with a diverse group of people, including mentors, industry experts, and successful peers. By doing so, they create a supportive ecosystem that fuels their growth and opens doors to valuable opportunities. These networks provide a platform for collaboration, knowledge sharing, and partnership ventures. Through meaningful connections, wealthy individuals gain access to insider information, industry insights, and potential investors. They understand that surrounding themselves with individuals who inspire and challenge them is essential for personal and professional development. By fostering strong networks, they leverage the power of collective wisdom, expanding their reach, and accelerating their journey towards wealth and success. Number 6. Persistence and resilience. Persistence and resilience are two essential habits of wealthy individuals on their path to success. They understand that setbacks and failures are inevitable in any pursuit. Rather than being discouraged or giving up, they embrace these challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. When faced with obstacles, they exhibit unwavering determination and adaptability. They analyze their mistakes, make necessary adjustments to their strategies, and continue to move forward with relentless perseverance. They understand that success often requires multiple attempts, and that failure is not a permanent state but rather a stepping stone towards achievement. By maintaining a resilient mindset, wealthy individuals bounce back from adversity stronger than ever, harnessing the lessons learned to propel themselves closer to their goals. Through persistence and resilience, they showcase unwavering commitment, grit, and an unyielding spirit that ultimately leads them to remarkable success. Number 7. Effective time management. Wealthy individuals recognize that time is a finite resource and understand the critical importance of effective time management. They prioritize their tasks based on their importance and urgency, ensuring that they dedicate their time and energy to activities that align with their goals and generate wealth. They establish clear goals and break them down into actionable steps, creating a roadmap for their daily, weekly, and long-term schedules. Furthermore, they delegate responsibilities and tasks that can be handled by others, allowing them to focus on high-value activities that require their expertise. Wealthy individuals also actively eliminate time-wasting activities, such as excessive social media usage or non-productive meetings, and instead allocate their time to meaningful and impactful endeavors. Through effective time management, they maximize their productivity, make the most of each day, and maintain a laser-like focus on activities that contribute to their financial success. Number 8. Adopting a healthy lifestyle. Wealthy individuals prioritize their overall well-being by adopting a healthy lifestyle. They understand that their physical and mental health directly impact their ability to achieve and sustain success. Regular exercise is a non-negotiable habit for them, as it boosts energy levels, reduces stress, and enhances mental clarity. They fuel their bodies with nutritious, wholesome foods that provide the necessary nutrients for optimal performance. Additionally, they prioritize self-care activities such as quality sleep, meditation, and relaxation to recharge and rejuvenate. By taking care of their health, wealthy individuals not only increase their longevity and vitality but also enhance their cognitive abilities and decision-making skills. They recognize that a healthy body and mind are essential foundations for long-term success, enabling them to fully enjoy the rewards of their hard work and maintain peak performance in all aspects of life. Number 9. Generosity and giving back. Wealthy individuals possess a deep belief in the power of giving back. They understand that true wealth extends beyond financial abundance and encompasses making a positive impact on the world around them. They actively contribute to charitable causes that align with their values and seek opportunities to give back to their communities. Whether it's through monetary donations, volunteering their time, or utilizing their influence and resources, they are committed to making a difference. Furthermore, they understand the value of mentorship and actively engage in mentoring aspiring entrepreneurs and individuals in need. They generously share their knowledge, experiences, and resources to uplift and empower others on their journey to success. By embracing generosity and giving back, wealthy individuals not only create a ripple effect of positive change but also cultivate a sense of fulfillment and purpose in their own lives. Number 10. Tracking progress and celebrating achievements. Another habit of wealthy individuals is their commitment to tracking progress and celebrating their achievements. They understand the importance of setting measurable goals and regularly monitoring their progress toward them. By setting milestones and key performance indicators, they can effectively track their advancement and make any necessary adjustments along the way. Additionally, they take the time to acknowledge and celebrate their accomplishments, both big and small. Celebrating achievements serves as a powerful motivator, reinforcing a positive mindset and boosting self-confidence. It also provides an opportunity to reflect on the hard work and dedication invested in reaching those milestones. By tracking progress and celebrating achievements, wealthy individuals maintain their momentum, stay focused, and continuously strive for even greater success. There you have it, the top 10 habits of wealthy individuals that form the millionaire mindset. Remember, these habits are not exclusive to the rich and can be cultivated by anyone willing to put in the effort and embrace a growth mindset. Start incorporating these habits into your life and watch as your financial abundance grows. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, stay focused, stay positive, and keep striving for greatness.